Hello viewers, I am Shubhashri and welcome back to my channel Jiva. Today I am here to share with you the recipe of famous Indian dessert Malpua served with rabri. Malpua is basically a fried pancake and rabri is a sweet based condensed milk. This too is considered to be the best pair when it comes to Indian dessert. I will be sharing this recipe in various stages, which to some extent can make things easier for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's first get started with making of the rabri. Take a pan and add 4 cups of whole milk. This has to be cooked in a very low flame. The only job you have now is to keep stirring. दूध को continuously हिलाते रहना है ताकि दूध नीचे बैठे ना। 4 कप दूध को आपको 1 कप बनाना है और पैन के साइड्स को स्क्रैप करते हुए दूध के साथ मिलाते रहना है. When the milk reduces to 1/3 of what you had, you can add some sugar to your taste. Here I am adding 1/4 cup of sugar. This is now almost done. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि दूध का कलर भी अभी चेंज होने लगा है. Finally, to finish with, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder or the cardamom powder. This is the time when you turn off the flame. When this will cool down, the consistency of it will be more thick. And here our rabri is ready. Rabri itself is very delicious. You can also enjoy it simply. But as promised, I am here to share the recipe of both Malpua and the rabri. The next thing would be the preparation of the batter for the Malpua or the pancakes. Take a mixing bowl and add half cup of all-purpose flour or the maida, half cup of full fat milk powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or the sauf, half teaspoon of cardamom powder or the elaichi powder, 1.5 tablespoon of semolina or the suji. Now to prepare the batter, add milk gradually. The consistency of the batter should not be too thick or too watery. Whisk continuously to avoid lumps. Keep adding milk in portions and keep whisking. I have used here 1 cup of milk for the batter. The batter is now ready. We will now let it rest for 30 minutes. By the time we fry the pancakes, सूजी के कारण ये batter का consistency थोड़ा thick हो जाएगा. Now the next thing to do would be to prepare the sugar syrup or the chashni. For that, take a pan and add 1 cup of sugar. To it, add 2 cups of water. यहाँ पे मैंने granulated sugar यूज़ किया है. अगर आप crystal sugar यूज़ करते हो तो आपको 1 कप से कम sugar चाहिए होगा. Once the sugar dissolves completely, add 6 to 7 saffron strands or the kesar. Kesar add करना optional है, but adding the kesar will bring a nice color and flavor to the sugar syrup. Now to this add half teaspoon of lemon juice. Adding the lemon juice will help prevent the syrup from crystallization. Finally, to finish with the sugar syrup, add half teaspoon of cardamom powder or the elaichi powder. Give it a nice mix and cook this for around 2 to 3 minutes. Here our sugar syrup is ready. Cover the lid and keep it aside. Now the last thing to do is frying of the pancakes or the malpua. These are best when fried in ghee. So take a pan and add 1.5 cup of ghee or the clarified butter. Before frying the malpuas, make sure that the ghee is not smoking hot. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि बैटर का कंसिस्टेंसी एकदम परफेक्ट है. अगर आपका बैटर एकदम पतला हो तो आप थोड़ा सा मैदा ऐड कर लें और अगर ज़्यादा गाढ़ा हो तो उसमें दूध ऐड कर लीजिए. Now to be sure about the ghee, pour few drops of batter into it, and if it starts floating, the ghee is perfect for frying the pancakes. So this is the time when you pour the batter for frying the malpua. And here it goes into the pan. Fry the malpuas in a medium to low flame. Fry it for a few minutes and then flip it over to the other side. Fry until they are golden brown or you get this texture. These are now almost done. Take it out from the pan and dip it into the sugar syrup. Before you dip in the pancakes, make sure your sugar syrup is hot. चाहे तो आप चाशनी को थोड़ा गर्म कर सकते हैं। Soak the malpuas into the syrup for around 6 to 7 minutes or until soft. Now here again goes the second batch for frying. Following the same, fry all of this. It's been 7 to 8 minutes now and you can see that the pancakes or the malpua has been perfectly soaked in the syrup. It's now time to take this off from the pan. When you take this off from the pan, strain out the excess syrup. The second batch are also nicely soaked and these are now ready to serve. The best way to serve it is with the rabri, and as an addition you can top it with dry fruits. This is best enjoyed when served hot. That was all about this amazing dessert. Hope you liked it. Do give it a try and let me know how it goes with you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to like and subscribe. You can also press the bell button for notifications of my latest videos. Time for me to say bye. We'll catch you all on my next video. Till then, take care.